Hi there, St. Gabe's staff. I'm just going to explain how LTI works. I'll show my screen here first to actually help us understand where you would actually import this. So I'll first open up my Soft Chalk lesson. So I'm going to open up a lesson here. Let's take something that I normally used recently. So Physics Unit 1A, Lesson 1. Let's take a look here. So what's going to happen is that I am going to edit the lesson, edit and create. While that's going on, I am going to show you what it actually looks like. There is this little jigsaw puzzle where it actually will show us that this is an LTI activity. So when you click on that, what ends up happening is that it's a score center. In the score center, it shows me so far I have 2 students who have completed the activity, the dates and the marks they got. The 15.0 is related to 16 marks in total. So that means they got 15 over 16. They had 2 attempts. How many attempts that they could have? Well, you can decide on that. So right here, it decides on change maximum attempts. I like to put 2. So I give them 1 chance where they could try. Sometimes it does flaw on me where they just guess and check. But I prefer 2, so then they have to still understand the concept, at least. The change grade marking, some teachers like to put it as an average score. So then if they do that whole guessing and checking, then they could actually go with that. I put the most recent score. The best part of it all, you could actually leave comments at the end. So complete all these attempts and everything. So you could check what they've done in each attempt. That's the nice thing of that. So in the first attempt, this student did not do anything. So I clearly could see that they just wanted to see what the answers were. So that's something I have to consider. So maybe in the future, I'm going to change the actual score to actually be something more realistic like average. Then they won't just guess. So the feedback is where I would put all that information. So this is the LTI. Nice thing of that, you could go back to return student list here, and you can actually see what the lesson looks like if you need to, of course, because that's what Soft Chalk does for you. So you have all these, if you had a big class, you would see all the students who actually attempted it so far. So the nice thing of this goes directly back into Moodle's gradebook. So if I go under the grades, you will realize the LTI lesson 1 will be a little puzzle piece, and you could use that. So that's unit C, I want unit A, that's unit D, web lesson 4, I believe it's right there. Web lesson, that's one way to actually check if they actually completed it. Now, here's their mark. It went automatically in there already. So the student who got 15 out of 16 got 94. The other student who got 16 out of 16 got 100. So it does it automatically. I didn't do anything. The sad thing to say, it doesn't go back to right. What do I mean by right? Moodle right back, I should say. So hopefully that answers all your questions on LTI. I encourage to use it. So keep in mind how you have access to it is once you actually add an activity, you want to go to the one that says the puzzle piece, which is external tool. When you click on the external tool, you're going to basically put the launch URL, which you obtain from LTI link right here and here, copy, and then you need to actually go back to your actual, there we go, Moodle, type that in. Make sure you put new window because it's actually easier for the student. Activity name, whatever you want to call it, web lesson, unit A, lesson 1, something like that. And then you would know also. So this is how I go forward with that. Once you save, you will realize that the activity is all there. I could just go back to, or have it right here, and there it is right there. So I like to put the disclaimer, complete activities for marks, so that would help. So this actually is a one way to get students involved in your lessons. Hopefully that helps. Have a great day.